In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for SEO project management. To get started, open ClickUp and click on your workspace avatar. From there, select Templates. This will take you to the Template Center, where you can browse and install pre-built setups designed for different workflows. Using a template is a great way to save time, especially if you want a structured SEO process without building everything from scratch. Once you're in the Template Center, use the search bar to look for SEO project management. When it appears, select the Space template. Make sure you're choosing the Space version, since that gives you a full working structure for managing multiple SEO projects, audits, and timelines all in one place. Next, click Use Template. ClickUp will then ask you to configure how the template should be added to your workspace. Enter a space name that makes sense for your team or workflow. Then select Import Everything so the full structure is included. Choose remap dates so deadlines adjust to your current timeline, and make sure archive tasks are excluded to keep the space clean and relevant. After that, click Use Template again to create the space. Once the new SEO space has been added to your workspace, open it and select SEO Projects. This is where you'll manage your active SEO clients or website campaigns. To add a new project, click Add Task and enter the client or website name as the task title. Keeping the task name clear and specific will make it much easier to track projects later, especially if you're managing several websites at once. Now open that task and fill in the project details. Add the assignee, set the priority, choose the start date and due date, and include the client information and budget. This helps centralize the important details so everyone involved can quickly understand the scope, timing, and ownership of the project. Next, go to SEO audits and create tasks under the appropriate audit categories, such as website SEO audits, SEO content audits, keyword audits or research, and on-page SEO audits. This lets you break the work into smaller, actionable parts, instead of keeping everything inside one large task. As you create each audit task, use linked tasks to connect it back to the main SEO project. This is especially helpful for staying organized and maintaining visibility between the overall campaign and the individual deliverables. As work progresses, update each task status by moving it through Not Started, In Progress, Internal Review, Client Review, and Complete. Consistently updating statuses makes collaboration smoother and helps prevent tasks from being overlooked. Finally, monitor progress using views like by project type, status board, and timeline. These views help you track workload, deadlines, and project movement at a glance. Thanks for watching.